By the way, that was completely unnecessary. I did it because I thought it looked cool.
I'm bored of shit. I think this is the only Dragon game with the highest person with the highest amount of kills in the server. It's usually a reasonable amount.
Yeah, because no one really wants to know like this way.
It's just not interesting enough.
All time, 27,000 kills.
That's kind of low for a Battlegrounds game.
Yeah. I also think the combos do less damage, so it's more of it's less of an incentive. Fights aren't over as quickly, which drops kill counts
Like,
drastically.
yeah. Also, the game's character design is so insane. Like, and the characters are different. They're not different in a way that I like. Like, they're different in that they're incredibly unintuitive and weird to use. You know? Do you know what I'm?
Yeah.
Do you get what I'm talking about? They're not like now you're weird. We're like they're weird, but you can still like get their game plan and what each of the moves are meant to do. They're weird. What the fuck am I supposed to do with this?
Yeah, I'm looking at my YouTube tutorial because I don't know how to use Dojo the combo.
Like, and they have move descriptions. They're not very helpful. Like, one I can at least kind of see how they're like meant to be this, but like, for Carlos, what the fuck are two of his moves even supposed to do? Like, you have to turn your camera with a 3, and that makes it look.
So I was just watching.
Oh, you beat the OG? Nice.
I was just watching Gojo's best combo, and it only brings